Director mar apisi mar jomin buche Igonga omako chung' ni onge paro mopondo e buche mag njore momaki ne achije moko manomaki e kinde ng'anyo. Owacho ni giluwo chik manokale od bura higa mar 2014 motudore kod timbe mag njore. Igonga owacho ni ok obidok chien e mako bura mar njore mager ne ng'ato ang'ata maketho ute makonyo e tayo chenro mag sirikal.
Of public prosecutions has a very fundamental power and role, and that is to institute, to take over, and to discontinue any criminal proceedings. That power ultimately can end in a denial of liberty.
Terrorism is not only when you bomb using bombs, but if you make acts that are endangering human life, government installations, that is an act of terrorism. So we must understand where we are coming from. That is why we are able to charge people under that act. It is not that there is anything. And we must understand that when we charge people, they must not always have guns or bombs for us to charge under that act. This is a law that was passed in 2014 by our legislature.